Very good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to see this resources and development under the geography subject in chapter geography. Okay, in geography, the first lesson which you are going to see is resources and development. So, what kind of thing about the resources and the development is mainly about the developing of the resources and how the resources needs to be developed and what are all the ways which they are implementing and what are all the constraints and what are all the basis which has been regulated. By that purpose only we are going to discuss this resources and development. First, what do you mean by about the resources? Resources means it is technologically feasible because nowadays many of the resources are using only technologically related thing only, right? Nowadays you guys also nowadays for attending the online classes through how you are attending the online classes? You are attending the online classes through mobile phone or laptop or any other devices like tab, say like this different things you are using of it. The next is economically feasible because without economy whether anyone can able to live, it's not possible, right? So that is what each and every resources in a country or in a world also, into the entire world also, without economy we can't able to live. So that is what economically feasible. Next is culturally acceptable. Culturally acceptable means it is of a cultural thing. Each and every state there will be different culture. Each and every country there will be different culture. Likewise, the different cultures, different things which should be done. So whatever the culture they are living, that should be acceptable. Now you are in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu there will be a different culture. In Andhra, some other culture. So if in Andhra or in Maharashtra or in somewhere else, wherever if you go, that culture will need to be acceptable. Whoever the resources going to that state, for example Mumbai, in Maharashtra, if they are living in Mumbai city, they need to accept that culture. If the Tamil Nadu people is going there to survive in Mumbai means, there they need to accept that culture. Okay? So, this is what the structure for the resources. Physical environment. Because every human being and animals and human beings, where they are living? They are living in this physical environment only, right? For example, you are a human being. You are living in this physical environment only, right? Because you are going to school. In school, who are all the people you are seeing? Students. Along with you, your friends. Boys, girls, like this. And teachers, non-teaching staff, librarians, administrative officials, receptionist, HM, principal, senior principal, chairman, director of the school, like this different persons you are seeing. So that is what contains in the nature. This environment is natural thing, correct? So and these human beings like you peoples are living in this environment. Under this human beings, what are all the things they are doing? They are working in some of the organizations, companies, factories, some of them are in institutions. Nowadays it is a digitalized world, so technological oriented is developed more and more, correct? Now, on the basis of origin, what are all the things which are there? How many components are there? 2 components are there. Resources based on the origin is biotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic. On the basis of exhaustibility, what are the things? Renewable resources, non-renewable resources. In exhaustibility means it refers to the resources kind of oriented thing. Then on the basis of ownership means in what way it will be resembled. In what way this has been, the ownership, the word has been described. Even an individual, they can be called as owner. For example here, Ramkumar Medicals is there. Tirupati Stores is there. Tirupati Stores, who is the owner? The person, particular member, Srinivasan is the owner. Here Ramkumar Medical, who is the owner? That Muhammad Aziz is the owner of the Ramkumar Medical. Mani Lakshmi Traders is there. Who is the owner for the Mani Lakshmi Traders? Naresh Kumar is the owner of this Mani Lakshmi Traders. He is an individual, but he is the owner of this particular concern. That is what the description we have mentioned as individual. In some of the concerns, like in the organizations or companies, community-based ownership also will be there. For public governments, that is public sectors, in public sectors, national government will be the ownership. Government will be the ownership for the public sectors. Then international also will be followed. On the basis of the status of development, what are the status of the development? Potential, developed and stock resources. These are the peoples which are for the status for the development. Okay. The next, biotic resources. What do you mean by about biotic resources? Biotic resources means it is obtained from the biosphere and it deals, this biosphere always deals with the human beings. Human beings. By the human beings related only, this biosphere is being done. Okay. Flora, fauna, etc. Abiotic resources means what? Abiotic resources means it is of non-living things. But biotic resources means living things. Yeah, human beings is a living thing only, right? But abiotic components means it is a non-living thing. Like metals, rocks, metals, likewise different things are there. Renewable resources. What do you mean by about renewable resources? Renewable resources are reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical. So different energies has been produced in this renewable resources. What are they? Wind energy, solar energy, electrical energy. Non-renewable resources means it is deals with minerals and fossil fuels like petrol, diesel and everything. LPG. Metals, it is a recyclable. Metals means whatever the metals is there. If suppose that metal got damaged, so immediately we can recycle that metal, right? For example, paper is there. We have returned paper. That also we can make it as recyclable. But fossil fuels, whether petrol, diesel will be non-recyclable? No, there is no way to recyclable. Correct? If you pour it in the two-wheeler or four-wheeler or three-wheeler, it will go down. That's all. It will be over. So it is a non-renewable thing. The next is individual resources. Individual resources, that's what I have clearly explained before itself. It is shared only by the only one member. He is the member, owned privately only by the individual. Only one member will be the ownership. That is what individual. Individual means only one. Not shared by the community. The next is community owned resources. Community owned resources means it will be accessible to all members. Why we are saying that it is referred to all members? Example, burial ground. Burial ground means if the persons, whoever is expired, died, immediately where they will go? Where they will go? Tell me. Praveen, tell me. செத்துட்டாங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் எங்க போவாங்க? Where they will go? Once a person has died, where they will go?
Graves.
Burial ground.
Yeah.
So burial ground, all the formalities will be done. Whether there is any differences is going to be done, whether this part of group people only need to do here, other part of people needs to do. For everyone, it is a common. Correct? Public parks. Correct? Public park means, see here in this ICF colony, Ambatu, there are different parks are there. All parks can be used by publics. Correct? Whoever may be the people, either he is a black or he is a red or he is a white, he is a fair or good or ugly or poor, whoever may be. He is from a poor family or he is from a rich family or he is from a middle class family, whoever may be. Everyone are having the rights to use this public park. The next is natural resources. Natural resources means In India, we can consider how many departments are there. Railway, mines, shipping, news, television, broadcasting, education. Like this, different departments are there. That are all owned by national Delhi. From Delhi, the national government is working on. Okay. A country has legal power to acquire private firms for public. Even some private firms, private organizations also converted into public. Okay. International business. International business means there are different things. It will be owned and regulated by international business. How? Because open sea is used for the navigation purpose, but open sky is used for flight. From India, that is Delhi to US, they are traveling, right, in the flight, they are traveling the flight. That is all. Next is oceanic resources beyond 200 miles of the exclusive economic zone belong to open zone. Potential resources means what? It will be found in a region. But developed resources means it will be used for the utilization, coal and petroleum. Okay? That's all about this.